Okay, just make a quick video. This is the Overture PLA Professional. Also have the Super PLA, and I'm just printing the orange one. Well, anyway, orange one's some Prusament, but just took a little pencil clip, nothing fancy. It fits really tight. Just gonna see how strong it is. This is the raunch. Sorry, this is the classic slicing profile. All the others are raunch. Just wanted to see the difference. Okay, that's actually pretty hard to break. So that's regular PLA. This is the Pro PLA. Maybe it's called PLA Plus. PLA Professional. It's a lot more elastic before it breaks. And this is the Super PLA Plus. Feels like the last one. Well, a lot more, even more elastic than the PLA Professional, and it's supposed to be exactly what they say on the website. But mainly I wanted to look at these. Look the same, really. This is between the Orange and the Classic. Just seeing if they had a little bit better. Anyway, been printing with this a lot. Actually, it does really, really, really good. Here's a temperature tower I did. But I mean, even it's pretty good stuff. It's a lot. It's not near as brittle as regular PLA. I found it to be pretty strong, really. But it's my first roll. Not through it all the way. Mainly done a lot of bends. Anyway, see ya.